Welcome back to our channel. We're so excited to have you here with us today. Today, we're diving into the top 5 benefits of castor oil for your face, explained by a dermatologist. Castor oil has been a staple in skincare routines for centuries, and there's a good reason why. You know me, I love getting to the root of things, whether it's a stubborn blackhead or a persistent skin concern. There's nothing more satisfying than finding a solution that really works. And trust me, I've seen it all in my practice. From acne to dry skin, I've helped countless patients achieve their skincare goals. So, when it comes to skincare, I'm always on the lookout for natural remedies that actually deliver results. Natural ingredients can be incredibly effective, and castor oil is a perfect example of that. Castor oil is one of those ingredients that has stood the test of time, and for good reason. It's been used for generations to treat a variety of skin issues, and its benefits are backed by both tradition and science. Let's get right into it. We're going to explore how castor oil can help with hydration, acne, anti-aging, and more. So grab your favorite skincare products and let's start this journey to healthier, glowing skin together. Castor oil is a humectant, meaning it attracts and retains moisture from the air. This unique property makes it an excellent addition to your skincare routine, especially if you struggle with dryness. By drawing moisture from the environment, it helps to keep your skin hydrated throughout the day. Think of it like a tall glass of water for your skin. Just as drinking water quenches your thirst, castor oil quenches your skin's thirst, providing it with the hydration it needs to stay healthy and vibrant. When applied topically, it forms a protective barrier that prevents moisture loss, keeping your skin hydrated and supple. This barrier not only locks in moisture, but also shields your skin from environmental stressors that can cause dryness and irritation. This is especially beneficial for those with dry or dehydrated skin, as it can help alleviate flakiness, itchiness, and tightness. Imagine saying goodbye to those uncomfortable dry patches and hello to smooth, soft skin. And you know what they say, hydrated skin is happy skin. When your skin is well hydrated, it looks plumper, more youthful, and has a natural glow that radiates health and vitality. So if you're looking for a natural way to boost your skin's moisture levels, castor oil is definitely worth a try. Incorporate it into your daily routine, and you'll soon notice the difference in your skin's texture and appearance. Give your skin the deep hydration it deserves with the power of castor oil. Now let's talk about inflammation. We all experience it from time to time, whether it's a pesky pimple or a more chronic condition like eczema. Castor oil contains ricinoleic acid, a fatty acid known for its anti-inflammatory properties. This means it can help calm down redness, swelling, and irritation, providing relief for a variety of skin concerns. I've seen firsthand how effective it can be in reducing the appearance of inflammatory acne and soothing irritated skin. It's like a gentle hug for your face. Speaking of acne, castor oil can be a real game changer. This natural oil, derived from the seeds of the castor plant, has been used for centuries for its healing properties. When it comes to acne, its benefits are particularly noteworthy. Its antibacterial properties help fight off the bacteria that contribute to breakouts, keeping your pores clear and your skin looking its best. This means fewer pimples and a smoother complexion over time. Additionally, castor oil is rich in ricinoleic acid, which helps reduce inflammation and soothe irritated skin. It also has a unique ability to penetrate deep into the skin, where it can help unclog pores and prevent future breakouts. This deep penetration ensures that the oil can reach the lower layers of the skin, providing hydration and promoting healing from within. Now, I'm not saying it's a miracle cure for acne, but it can be a valuable tool in your skincare arsenal. When combined with a consistent skincare routine, castor oil can enhance the effectiveness of other products and treatments you may be using. Just remember to start slowly and patch test first, as with any new product. This helps ensure that your skin doesn't react negatively. If you have sensitive skin, it's especially important to introduce castor oil gradually. Always consult with a dermatologist if you're unsure about adding a new product to your routine. Who doesn't love a little anti-aging magic? Castor oil is a rich source of antioxidants, which help protect your skin from free radical damage. Free radicals are unstable molecules that can damage skin cells, leading to premature aging, wrinkles, and fine lines. By neutralizing these free radicals, castor oil can help keep your skin looking youthful and radiant. It's like a shield against the elements, protecting your skin from the inside out. Last but not least, let's talk about skin healing. Castor oil has been used for centuries to promote wound healing, and for good reason. It contains compounds that stimulate cell growth and repair, helping to heal minor cuts, burns, and abrasions faster. It can also help reduce the appearance of scars and blemishes, leaving your skin looking smoother and more even-toned. So, whether you've got a little scratch or a stubborn scar, castor oil can be your go-to remedy. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more dermatologist tips and skincare advice. Remember, everyone's skin is different, so it's always a good idea to patch test before applying any new product to your face. And as always, if you have any concerns about your skin, it's best to consult with a board-certified dermatologist. Stay beautiful and healthy.